Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 78 class 10th science. As you know that your revision for the chapter 2 is going on. Today we'll discuss about the question 4-mark question which is coming in your section A. It's a question based on like English comprehension. That means you will get a paragraph from any of the chapter of your book related to the any of the chapter, and you have to attempt out of the 5 questions you have to attempt one question. You can easily score 4 marks out of 4, but basic thing is that you have to read the paragraph carefully, and some outer knowledge is also required. All the answers are not from the paragraph. Like today's paragraph is soil pH. Now when we talk of soil pH in general, heavy metals like copper, magnesium and zinc availability is highest at the low pH. Okay, at low pH these heavy metals could become toxic, but liming of soil can decrease heavy metals availability. Liming means we have to add some bases. That's why biosolids are used for liming of the soil, and it can contain heavy metals, while some biosolids might also be lime stabilized, resulting in pH increase upon application. So when we add biosolids, that means the waste which is coming from the organic waste, you can say, to the fields, it will lime the soil and it will stabilize the pH also. So the first question is based on the diagram shown, plants survive only in. So when we say survival of in a, you have to write in a narrow range of pH change. They can only survive in the narrow range of pH change. That means only between the न्यूट्रल. ओके, न्यूट्रल से थोड़ा सा इधर या ऊपर, इतने में ही वो सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. A table is given, different crops name, recommended pH range is given. Now what we have to see, we recommend the pH range for wheat. So wheat is 6.3 to 6.5. So below 7 is acidic, but when we have to see which acidic, it is slightly acidic, you have to write. Okay. Then the nutrients like iron, copper, zinc, magnesium are maximum available at, just we have read in the paragraph, they are available at the low pH range. Fourth question, biosolids are the nutrient-rich organic material, are recycled as fertilizers and stimulate plant growth by soil amendment, also enhance the likelihood of groundwater pollution of nitrogen and phosphorus. So what is true about biosolids? So all the 3 points are true about the biosolids. Fifth question, the soil becomes dash when its pH is more acidic than the desired value. Use an appropriate word to complete the statement. If the pH is more, then the soil will become toxic. So these are the 5 answers. Out of 5 you have to write any 4, but you write 5 only. It is just practice for your board exams. Hope you like the explanation of worksheets. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.